Welcome to AT Module 9 turn, Step 8. So basically here we have everything, and they want us to add the class enum or menu option. So we create a new, like click ATA and then create new file, and you type menu option.java here and just submit it, and it will create you a file here called menu option. So we have a package comp ATA here and public enum menu option. Enum is a class, so we don't need to write class here. So public class, no public class. So public enum menu option, and we have a 1 2 3 4 5 6 enum here, exists, list product, buy product, find product, show card, and checkout. And our enum have two, the ID, product ID, and the display value. So exists 0, exists is a 0, and exists, and so on. And here we have on the right side is a private ID, so private integer ID and the private string display value. And we have two method here, public integer get ID method and public string get display value. And every getter method should have a return, so return ID and return display value. And then last thing we have here is menu option for option ID, integer option ID. It's a public status menu option, front option ID, integer option ID. And for each menu option in menu option dot values, if option dot ID equal option ID, return option. If not, throw new illegal argument exception. And option ID, string format, menu option ID is not an available option. So, and we have a constructor here, menu option, integer ID, and the string display value. This dot ID, and this dot display value, So that's it for menu option. And then the thing we have to replace, we have to fix this, I believe, in the card. Not in the card, right? Because in the menu. Okay, it's in the menu, like public wide HQ menu, right? Underneath there, we have like if blah 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 option equal 1, do this, do that. Instead of those, in module 10 or step 08, they want us to use the switch case method to implement the enum. So implement an enum for menu selection to be used in the menu class. Use the class diagram to help you code the class. Use this newly created enum to refactor how the menu selection work in the menu class. So, okay, so in order to do that, we have the same thing here, integer option, menu option, and do bring menu and menu option dot value, and get next integer from user. As soon as we got the integer from user, and we have a switch case, switch menu option and case exit, and we're gonna call the exit function here, exit method here, and break, and then case list product and shop.print product. We're gonna print out the product. they want to list some product and the break case buy product. If they buy the product, we're gonna print out the prompt. Please enter the ID of the product you would like to purchase and enter your ID. This is not changing, it's the same thing. So enter your ID, get next integer from user shop to get product ID, and then break. And then for case find product, just our print line enter the item to search for string identifier is the same thing too. And the product was not found, everything and the break case show card. So we're gonna show the card by calling the method show detail on the shop class shop dot show detail and then break and then case checkout. And for the checkout, same thing, show dot checkout because our checkout and show detail method is in the shop, so we call it that way, shop dot checkout. And then break and then default break do that while menu option is not equal to menu option dot exit. So until they enter menu option enum call exit, do this. That's what it means. So menu option, let's go to menu option. We write it down. Those are in capital. That's how enum works. So that's why exit list for everything in capital letter. And make sure you put these two parameter in here, integer ID and string display value. So basically that will be it for the step 08 module 10. It tells us to use some sort of formats. For me, I don't really use as every place. I mean, it doesn't matter as long as your program is running, right? So basically that will be it for the module 9, and then you guys can simply run walk floor step 08 and it will show it first, and then make sure you guys do the key portions stuff. Like if you guys forgot, give add dot after that git commit -m mean message steps 08 completed, and then git push and git push dot. Then after you enter git push dot, it will say, hey, everything up to date and everything is up to date. You're good to go. And you can check git log dot to see everything that you have done previously in the git repository. So that will be it. So these all commands should be in this terminal window. Not here, so I'm gonna just delete here. After that, you can run it or submit your program. With mine, I think I have to yeah, I have to log in back. Like I left it in activity for sorry PDF. Oh no, it doesn't need to log back in. Okay, that's cool. So module 10. Hey, run workflow step 08. Like I said, I don't really check static check. like after step 0, I believe, because it's not really necessary. So yeah, so it's successful. And if you want to actually run the program, just hit run button up here in top right corner, and then you say it's running, and hello, please enter your name, and I type Sandra. And it say it should have, hey, welcome Sandra to Shamot. In newsletter option using one of the numbers shown. If in this manner, I'm gonna list the product. So one enter, and it will list the product, Kruna, Rina, blah blah blah. And we're gonna find the product. So hit 3. Um, enter the item to search for. So for finding the product, I believe we have to type the string, right? So Polo. So it says here Polo was found and his product ID is 2. Okay, we found the product and now we want to buy the product and to enter. Please enter the ID of the product you would like to purchase. Okay, we want to buy product number 1, and Rena hacks me added to your cart. Product number 2. Oh wait, if you want to buy again, you have to enter. Okay, good. Buy product. Okay, and then we're gonna buy the 2. So Polo has been added to your cart, and we're gonna buy it again. So hit 2, enter, and we're gonna buy this time. We're gonna buy number 3. Both now has been added to your cart. Okay, I thought I added 2 or 3 items. I'm sure that it's not one item. So let me double check. So I'm gonna hit 4. It means show cart, like how many items you added to the cart. So right now it say we add 3 item here, item count. The items are V-neck $20 and polo 25.5 and bow neck 30.25. The pre-test total and the post-test total is right here 83. So I'm happy with that. So I'm gonna just check out. So 5 enter, and it say hey, your total $83.33. I mean $83.33, and thank you for shopping at Tshirt Mod. So now we're gonna exit the application. So 0, hit 0 and enter, hit enter. So you say, hey, exit now, bye. That's it. And our program runs successfully at this point. And thank you so much for watching.